What are you doing up here sleeping in the box? Huh? What are you doing? Did I wake you up? Am I waking you up? Huh? Oh, I get a bath for waking you up? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me rub your belly. Let me rub that belly. Oh, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Hey, now you know how I feel every night. Now you know how I feel every night when you do that to me. Oh, you're saying don't go? Don't go. Don't go. To my Facebook that way.
I don't know how to talk to my...
It is one of those days. Welcome everybody to another winter type video, but today coming to you from Florida where it's not so wintry. It's 84 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's beautiful. Not like it was the other day when I was up in Minnesota. That was not beautiful. I mean, it was, just in a different way. Out here driving around the country in the dead of winter doesn't make for the best videos. Does make for dirty windshields, but not the best windshields. Or wait a second, not the best windshields, not the best videos. So in the middle of the winter, when you can't really get out, unless you're home in Florida or sunshiny states like Florida, you really can't get out. It's just work, 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 and usually in cold weather. And you can't come up with any ideas on how to create a video. Now, your situation may be different than mine. Mine is I travel a lot. You just may be home wondering, what am I going to shoot a video about this week? What can I do? What can my video be about? Don't worry about it. YouTube's got you covered nowadays. Hello, home screen of... Oh, this is the iPad. This is my iPad I got up here in front. I'm going to use the iPad that I normally use for navigation while I'm out here on the road and show you guys a little trick that I found that I never even knew existed. Now, it's available on all your mobile devices, whether it's Android, your flips, your folds, your whatever, and if you have an Apple device, an iOS, it doesn't matter as long as you have YouTube Creator Studio. YouTube Creator Studio will help you. It's got you covered when you run out of ideas and you have nothing going on. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it real fast. That's today's video. How to come up with content or ideas for content when there's nothing going on. So for starters, I am going to click here, which is Creator Studio. It shows I'm offline at the moment. I think I'm in a very poor Wi-Fi signal area. Hopefully it will load. We'll see. It is a bust. Let me get out of all these trees over here and into a regular area where I might be able to pick up some Wi-Fi, because I'm not going to hook up Starlink just for this video because, well, I'm doing this while I'm driving. Okay, I think we have it situated. I've driven 400 miles up here to Alabama, still with the dirty windshield. And I'm going to aim right directly into my iPad with the sun going right into my lens also. Anyway, so this is what I was talking about. On days when you really can't think of anything to shoot video of, when you're out of ideas due to snow, rain, weather, and you just can't get out. Turn your messages off. Go to your Creator Studio and then go to Analytics. And now this could be done on your computer, obviously, but now it is also available on your cell phones and tablets. Now, I'm sorry about the sun glare. Sorry about it. But when you go to Analytics on the top here, you'll see all these little things here. Let's go back here. One is Research, Overview, Content, Audience, and Revenue. If you click Research, you can actually type in, you can see what things are being searched for right now, like at this moment, fountains, bingo, road trip, New Year's, lake, Trovo Live, whatever that is, park. Yeah, that's some searchable stuff that's being searched at the moment. But let's say I'm a truck driver, which I am, or an RVer. Let's pull up trucking. And so we got search terms for trucking. Let's see here. Trucking actually has a fairly high search volume at the moment. Hotshot trucking is another one. So you can pull that up. Let's go here. And you can see other videos, trucking videos. Now, it could be gaming videos, whatever, you guys know that. But yeah, so you can see other videos that, you know, the top searched and kind of get an idea. So like we go to Montana is brutal and wonderful for cab over truck drivers. Let's see what this video is about. We will pause it. I don't want to see too much, but you can see this person has 46,000 views, has 78,000 subscribers, comments, everything else, and then you can, I know there is a way, I just don't know how to do it, but you could see what tags they used and stuff like that, and you can kind of change things up a little bit, you know, so it's not exactly like their videos, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. But for me lately, I've been pretty much stuck in this seat for about 2 months. I haven't been able to get out, do any videos, do too much of anything. And I've been trying to think of creative things I could do up until the weather starts to get nicer. And it's just hard. So any videos that I make at the moment either have to do with computers, video games, or anything indoors in the cab of the truck, because it's too hard to get out and do everything because things are closed because it's winter time. And I got to thinking, you know what? Let's hop on Creator Studio and see if I can make, you know, get any topics and stuff like that that I might be able to do while I'm out on the road in the truck waiting for roadside attractions to open up. And that was one of them. Telling you guys that there is a way to do this when there is nothing to do. If you need to get your creative juices flowing, head over to Creator Studio. Go to Analytics, like I said, on your mobile device or your computer, and get those ideas. Let's get those videos out there. There's no reason in the wintertime we have to be stagnant. Until the next time, I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.